Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Dahi Kebabs, a dish that is as intriguing as it is delicious. Originating from the rich Awadhi cuisine of Lucknow, Dahi Kebabs are a testament to India's vegetarian culinary genius. These kebabs are not just any snack, they are a blend of creamy yogurt, aromatic spices and a crunch that resonates with every bite. Let's get started. It all starts with the star ingredient, curd. In order to provide a good binding, we add some grated paneer. We add grated cheese for the creamy and melt in the mouth experience. For the flavorings, we add chopped ginger, chopped onion, chopped carrots, chopped green bell pepper, chopped coriander stems, chili flakes for that heat, roasted cumin powder, rock salt, and salt. To hold everything together, we add some roasted gram flour or besan. Stir everything together and mix well. You can check the consistency of the mixture by lifting it with a spoon and checking to see if it doesn't fall. If it falls, mix in 1 teaspoon of gram flour and recheck. For coating your kebabs, take a spoonful of the mixture and drop it on a bed of breadcrumbs. Then, take some breadcrumbs and lightly coat your mixture. Make it into a ball and then flatten their sides with your hands. This will help us evenly cook all the sides when we shallow fry them. Do the same with the rest of the mixture. For frying, we will heat some refined oil in a pan on medium to high heat. Then, gently place your kebabs in the pan. Before flipping them over, allow them to fry for 30 seconds on one side. Remember, we are only cooking the outer layer until it is crisp and golden brown. When done, take them off on a plate lined with paper towels to remove any excess oil. Serve these gorgeous Dahi Kebabs hot, garnished with chopped coriander leaves and chaat masala. Thank you for joining us in making these scrumptious Dahi Kebabs. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and until next time, happy cooking!